How to delete your TaxAct account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to delete your TaxAct account step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to the taxact.com. Now, navigate to the support or contact section, and from there, simply look for customer support details, including their phone number, email, or live chat option. And now, to request for account deletion, you need to reach out to TaxAct customer support. So you can call their support team, send an email with your request, or use the live chat option if available. Make sure to provide the required information for verification. And when contacting with support, be ready to provide your full name, the email address linked to your TaxAct account, and any additional details required for verification. And once your identity is verified, clearly state that you want to delete your TaxAct account, and the customer support team will guide you through the process. They may require you to complete a deletion request form or confirm via email. And after submitting your request, you just have to wait for the confirmation from TaxAct that your account has been deleted, and after that you can also check your account status to ensure that it is no longer active. And before proceeding, keep these things in mind. TaxAct policy may change, so always check for the latest updates. Review the terms of services and privacy policy to understand any implications. And at last, if you have any important tax documents stored in your account, you need to download them first for future reference. And that's how you can delete your TaxAct account with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.